A dark racetrack glows intensely as something extreme emerges beneath flashing lights tonight ahead, turning the entire scene into a cinematic battlefield of speed and sound where every reflection feels alive under the neon sky. The Lamborghini Sesto Elemento appears futuristic, aggressive and brutally track-focused from every perspective imaginable, like a machine designed not to drive but to dominate reality itself. Finished in a stunning ice-silver carbon-inspired body with glowing electric blue accents flowing across its aerodynamic surfaces, the car looks almost unreal under stadium lighting, as if it was built from light and metal together. The ice-silver finish reflects every beam of racetrack glow, while the blue lines trace every edge like flowing energy locked inside a weapon of pure performance. Its design prioritizes weight reduction above almost everything else completely always, creating a shape that feels stripped down to pure purpose and speed. Every visible surface exposes carbon fiber engineering beneath the ice-silver sheen, while electric blue detailing highlights airflow paths and structural aggression consistently. From the front, sharp vents and aggressive geometry create an intimidating presence instantly, with blue accents glowing around intake channels as if the car is breathing under pressure. The body feels incredibly light, even at a standstill, giving it a visual sense of speed before it even moves. Along the sides, exposed carbon textures merge seamlessly into the ice-silver finish, while glowing blue streaks guide the eye across aerodynamic channels designed for maximum efficiency. Every curve feels intentional, as if airflow itself shaped the body rather than human hands, creating a sense of engineered violence and motion. The stance is low, sharp, and tightly focused, making the car look like it is already attacking the track even while stationary. The lighting transforms every surface into a shifting pattern of metallic ice and electric energy. At the rear, hexagonal exhausts sit deep inside an aggressive diffuser, framed by a glowing blue outline that enhances its futuristic identity perfectly. The back end looks functional and extreme, designed to control chaos at high speed while maintaining aerodynamic stability. Heat shimmer, reflections, and lighting combine to create a constantly shifting visual effect around the exhaust zone. It feels less like a car rear and more like the exit point of a high-speed energy system. This is where things get serious, because lightweight engineering changes everything completely, turning raw power into instant reaction. A naturally aspirated V10 delivers explosive output with immediate throttle response consistently, always, without delay or hesitation. Press the accelerator, and the Sesto Elemento launches violently forward, transforming energy into motion with shocking immediacy. Power feels overwhelming because extremely low weight amplifies every movement dramatically, making acceleration feel almost unreal. The engine sound screams aggressively, echoing across racetracks with brutal intensity, bouncing off barriers like mechanical thunder. Every gear change feels sharp, precise, and brutally direct, with no softness or filtering between driver and machine. The V10 does not just produce sound, it creates pressure, vibration, presence that fills the entire environment. Each acceleration becomes a physical experience rather than just movement. This is where it hits different because mass almost disappears completely, leaving only pure velocity and response. Lightweight construction enhances cornering, braking, and acceleration simultaneously, making every input feel immediate and unforgiving. The chassis reacts like a blade cutting through air, sharp and precise in every direction. There is no delay, no buffer, only raw mechanical honesty. Steering feels hyper-responsive, demanding focus and precision from drivers constantly, as even the smallest input changes the entire trajectory. Suspension tuning prioritizes maximum performance over comfort entirely, making the car feel raw, stiff, and race-focused at all times. Inside the cabin, exposed carbon fiber dominates every surface, now contrasted with ice-silver reflections and faint blue ambient highlights that echo the exterior theme. Minimal padding reinforces the idea that comfort was never part of the design equation. Seats integrate directly into the chassis structure for maximum rigidity, locking the driver into the machine like a component rather than a passenger. There are almost no luxury distractions anywhere inside the cockpit, only structure, function, and performance. Every detail exists for control, not comfort, creating a pure racing environment stripped of excess. It feels like sitting inside a purpose-built weapon rather than a vehicle. Out on racetracks, the Sesto Elemento feels completely insane immediately, reacting to every command with violent precision. Push the throttle, and acceleration becomes brutally aggressive almost instantly, as if physics itself is being rewritten. The V10 sound transforms every straightaway into mechanical chaos, filling space with unfiltered energy and intensity. Braking performance feels equally extreme, stopping momentum with shocking effectiveness due to ultra-lightweight construction. However, this extreme machine comes with serious compromises present, because perfection in one direction always removes balance in another. Road legality remains limited because track performance dominates engineering priorities completely, leaving no space for everyday usability. Ride quality feels harsh during normal driving situations, transmitting every surface detail directly into the chassis. Practicality stays nearly non-existent due to its stripped-down lightweight design philosophy. Still, these compromises define its identity as pure Lamborghini engineering madness. It's built without compromise for anything except speed. Night driving transforms it into glowing ice silver and electric blue artwork instantly, reflecting every light source like moving energy. Reflections highlight exposed carbon surfaces and futuristic proportions beautifully under neon racetrack lighting. The blue accents pulse visually as the car moves, making it feel like a machine powered by pure electricity rather than mechanics. People react instantly when it appears, recognizing one of Lamborghini's most extreme creations ever built for pure performance obsession. The Sesto Elemento proves that lightweight engineering can feel more terrifying and exciting than horsepower alone. It is not just a car, but an experiment in how far performance can be pushed when everything unnecessary is removed. And in that moment, it becomes something beyond transportation. It becomes controlled chaos at maximum speed.